So I tried it's kind of tough actually. So basically I used the two flat heads, and you're mainly trying to hold it with one while you jam one, try to jam that little star ring over it. Like I said, I only did that because I saw the guy do it on the video, and I guess, you know, as hard as it was for me to put that, and it's not even on there all the way, if you can see that. I mean, it's mostly on, I mean, maybe like right at 1/8 of an inch or less from the bottom on that side. It's actually flush on this side. But the goal, I think, is to just sturdy the fuel filter up, right? And I'm telling you, with this gasket on there, and plus this is the outer casing that goes on top of that, but you know, as hard as it was for me to force that little star ring on there, there's no way that fuel filter is coming out now. There's just no way. Like I said, you want to kind of wiggle that a little bit, try to get it under there, just a little lip part. But yeah, so that thing is definitely not coming out now. It's in there nice and secure. And then the only thing really left is to just put this little outer casing on. And let's do that. Ooh, bum, 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 bum. Yeah. So, and this assembly is pretty much back together now. Finally, after all that time. But yeah, so that's what it looks like when it's all together. Fuel pump in there with Denso with the new connector that came with the kit. I got the ground wire plugged in, those other wires kind of wrapped around. I finally got that wire secure that I was nervous about. Here's the fuel filter. It's definitely sturdy because nothing is breaking that little star ring. It took me forever to get on there. And yeah, so this is pretty much put back together. Actually, I'll take it one step further. The little bottle, right? This is what actually, so remember I mentioned when this was the fuel gauge, this is the little bottle that actually floats in the gas. And then when it's plugged into this arm right here, it just bobs up and down. So let's try to go ahead and plug that in. It just plugs in that way, and then it gets secured right there with that handle. Well, there it is. Now, yeah. So that's it. The fuel pump assembly is all back together with the Denso fuel pump. It's pretty exciting, actually.